Welcome, my dear students, to another wonderful session on Mathological. In this session, we'll be discussing questions related to comparison of indices, and we'll be seeing questions जहाँ पे कि exponential towers का इस्तेमाल होगा. Exponential towers will be used. Exponential towers implies that a to the power b to the power c to the power d and so on. Similar questions. Okay. So first question of that type, we have to arrange these values in the ascending order. First is 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Second is 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 3 to the power 2. Third is 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. And option D. Pause the video and try to compare them yourself first. Okay. So first value is 3 to the power 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2. In any such question, we start from top to down. सबसे पहले we'll be calculating power of 3. This is 3 square. Okay, so this becomes 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 square, which is 9, 2 to the power 9. Hence this power becomes 3 to the power 2 to the power 9, which is 3 to the power 512. Okay, second value is 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 3 square, which is 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 9. Okay, and this 2 into 9 becomes 3 to the power 18. 3 to the power 18. Is that clear? Okay. अच्छा, एक छोटी सी चीज, if this is given that a number is given a square whole cube and a to the power 2 to the power 3, obviously these two are not equal. They are different. They are different because this is 2 into 3. So this becomes a to the power 6 and this is a to the power 8. I hope that is clear. And in general, in some case, if it is given that a square to the power 2 to the power 3, ठीक है, तो यहां भी क्या होगा, पावर्स अल्टीमेटली मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो दिस बिकम्स a to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3, which is a to the power 2 to the power 3 था ही, और 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 to the power 4 हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट केस 3 to the power 2 into 3 कितना होगा, 3 to the power 6 whole squared. So this will become 3 to the power 12. And this is 2 cube into 2. यही सेम चीज तो यहाँ पे किया, ठीक है. So this becomes 3 to the power 2 cube into 2. So this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 3. Powers add up हो जाएगा. This will become 2 3 to the power 2 to the power 4, and hence 3 to the power 16. Now this is power 18. This power is 12, and here the power is 16, and here power is 512. Clearly, larger the power, greater will be the number. So a is the largest number, smallest number will be C, then D, then B, and lastly A. C, D, B, A will be the correct ascending order of these numbers. Clear? Okay. Next question. 8 to the power 888, 8 to the power 8 to the power 88, 8 to the power 88 to the power 8, 8 to the power 8 to the power 8 to the power 8. So ये numbers को हमें compare करना है. Focus on the powers only. So in the first case power is 888. In the second case this is 8 to the power 88. In the third case this is 88 to the power 8. And in the fourth case this is 8 to the power 8 to the power 8. Smallest number कौन सा लग रहा है? Smallest number will be 888. A is the smallest number. So A is the minimum value. Next, this is 8 to the power 88. And this is 88 to the power 8. We can write 88 as 11 into 8 to the whole power 88 as to the whole power 8. And A into B to the power n is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. So this becomes 11 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 8. और फर्स्ट नंबर है हमारा 8 to the power 88, और क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें 8 to the power 8 गिवन है, तो हम इसको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. क्या लिख सकते हैं? 8 to the power 8 plus 80 लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. So this becomes 8 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 80. फर्स्ट केस में है 8 to the power 80 और सेकंड वाले केस में है 11 to the power 8. तो क्या कंपेयर कर पा रहे हो, कौन सी वैल्यू बड़ी होगी? ऑब्वियसली 8 to the power 80 बड़ा होगा. और भी क्लियर होना है इस पे. सो वी कैन राइट 8 to the power 80 एज 8 to the power 10 to the power 8, और सेकंड केस में है 11 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 8. ठीक है. सो क्लियरली 8 to the power 10 is much लार्जर than 11. So this number will be much greater. So B is greater than C. B is greater than C. Between B and D compare करते हैं. B में है 8 to the power 88 और this is 8 to the power 8 to the power 8. Okay. So this power will be 8 to the power 8 to the power 8, or 8 square is 64. 8 to the power 4 is 4096, and hence 8 to the power 8 will be, this will be 8 to the power whole squared, 8 to the power 4 whole squared, which is 4096 whole squared. ठीक है, so this will be 8 to the power 4096 whole squared. Clear? Okay, 8 to the power 4096 whole squared. So this value will be much larger. D will be much greater than B, because B में हमारा है 8 to the power 88 only, and this is 8 to the power 4096 whole squared. So D is the largest number. A is less than C, C is less than B, and B will be less than D. So A, C, B, D will be the correct order in this case. A, C, B, D will be the correct order. Clear? Next question. 3 to the power 2 to the power 21, 9 to the power 2 to the power 20, 27 to the power 2 to the power 18, and 9 to the power 2 to the power 12. This is very interesting question. Pause the video and try to solve it. You will get to understand the exponential tower properly if you are able to arrange these numbers properly. Okay, first है 3 to the power 2 to the power 21. Fine. Second is 9 to the power 2 to the power 20. तो 9 को हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं 3 स्क्वायर में. सिमिलरली 27 को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं 3 क्यूब में. तो कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. तो 9 becomes 3 square to the whole power 2 to the power 20, or this will become 3 into the power 2 into 2 to the power 20. So 2 into 2 to the power 20 क्या हो जाएगा? This will be 2 to the power 21 only. So this also becomes 3 to the power 2 to the power 21, which implies that A is equal to B. A is equal to B. 27 is 3 cube. So this becomes 3 cube to the whole power 2 to the power 18. So this becomes 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 18. ध्यान देना है, यहाँ पे 3 को 18 में एडअप नहीं कर देना है गलती से. दिस इज 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 18. सो फर्स्ट नंबर है हमारा 3 to the power 2 to the power 21, एंड दिस इज 3 into 2 to the power 18. सो अगर हम कंपेयर करें तो 2 to the power 21 इज 2 to the power 18 plus 3, यानी कि 2 to the power 18 into 2 cube. So this is 8 into 2 to the power 18, while this is 3 into 2 to the power 18, definitely much smaller होगा. तो B is greater than C. A and B are equal and B is greater than C. D में आ रहा है 9 to the power 2 to the power 12. So this will be 3 square to the power 2 to the power 12, which becomes 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 12, which is 3 to the power 2 to the power 13, which is much lesser than C. तो C is greater than D. तो ऑर्डर हमारा हो जाएगा D is the least value, D is less than C, C is less than B, and B and A are equal. So this will be the correct order of these numbers. क्या ये बात अप्रिशिएट कर पा रहे हो, समझ पा रहे हो? ठीक है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस जहाँ पे कि हम एक्सपोनेंशियल टावर वाले क्वेश्चंस को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, इंडिसेस को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे हमारा लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू क्या होगा, स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू क्या होगा. एंड आई बिलीव कि इस सेशन में तुम्हें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा. जो भी तुम्हारे कंफ्यूजन रहे होंगे एक्सपोनेंशियल टावर के बेसिक पे, वो चीज़ें क्लियर हो गया होगा. ठीक है. एडिशनली यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉच द एक्सपोनेंशियल टावर वाला प्रॉपर सेशन, सो दैट तुम्हारे जो बाकी क्वेश्चन हो वो भी क्लियर हो जाए. और अगर सेशन समझ में आया, चीज़ें समझ में आई है, तो मेक श्योर टू लाइक दैट session as well, and you can also share the session with your friends. That's all for this session. Bye bye, take care and keep learning.